I was trying to clean up garbage to make this video, and I seriously just dumped my trash can over and spilled half of it all over the kitchen. So that's fun.
Okay, this week's supposed to be DIY, and I'm hungry, and I'm not good at doing anything. So, we're gonna make food. We're gonna make chicken and waffles because that's what's in my freezer. And it's easy. I have these waffles. So you get your chicken. Rip the top off of it. Never mind. If that doesn't work, you find scissors. Cut the top off. And don't knock your trash can over when you try to throw this out. And a plate. And a fork. Because utensils are helpful. And then just put however many you want out. Because it depends on your hungriness. I'm going to make 5. I feel like that's a fair amount. Put them out like that to maximize the cooking goodness. I don't know words. Close the bag so they don't get freezer burned. That's important. And then we'll put it in the microwave for 50 seconds. And we'll wait for our chicken. Have the time in the back. You can watch the chicken. Oh, waffles. Okay. Get your waffles. I already opened these. So they're halfway done. Not really, but you don't have to open it. You should know how to open a box. Get them out. You cannot see anything. Waffles. And then find a toaster. Handy dandy toaster. Pop those in there. I put it in to like the 5 on the dial switch. Can you see it? I put it into 5 because I feel like then it doesn't have frozen bits in the middle. And don't knock your trash can over when you throw this away because you just ate all your waffles. And then the chicken's done. Not really. You have to flip it over. Like this. Flip the chicken. And then if you turn the plate, that works good too. Just for another 50 seconds. I feel like that's good. I don't know if you saw any of that, but I tried. While that's cooking, you can get out your butter. Butter. And put the chicken back in the freezer. And syrup, if you like syrup. Most people like syrup. I don't really like syrup, but I use it sometimes. Anyway. One time it was really hot outside and my dad refuses to buy an air conditioner. It was when I was living with my dad. So I went in the garage and I sat in the fridge because I was so hot I couldn't handle it. Okay. Got your syrup. I hear the waffles sizzling. Does your toaster sizzle? My toaster sizzles. The chicken's done. Pull that out. Feels good. Maybe it's a little squishy. We'll put it back in for like 20 seconds? That seems like it'd be right.
Just do that over here. 20 seconds. These smell so good.
I'm just gonna use one plate because our dishwasher's broken. This is the 4th dishwasher we've had in this apartment. We moved in here in August from my dad's house, and everything's broken. The dishwasher is a huge problem. We're all responsible for our own dishes right now, so I try to use as little amount of dishes as I can. That plate that I'm using, I've already used once because I don't want to do my dishes. Okay, they're done, so we'll get them.
I never show you opening the microwave. Do you need to see me open the microwave? Probably not.
Okay. Chicken! And then these popped, so pull them out. I'm going to show you me pulling them out.
Ah, don't burn yourself. That's hot. Oh god. Okay.
This angle's not ideal, but I'm not fancy. Just like push the chicken to the side, put your waffles on the other side.
Get a good, like, there you go.
Get some silverware.
You're gonna want a knife for this. Get in your drawer, get a knife. Can you see what I'm doing? I can't flip my camera around, so I can't, I don't know. Difficult.
Get your butter. Spread the butter. Normally I'm pretty bad at spreading butter, but you know, it's kind of hard to do if you think about it. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just weird. I'm bad at spreading butter. Who cares? More butter. Do you like this sound? The sound of butter being spread? It's delightful. Stack them on top. And some syrup. Gotta go slow because it all comes out a lot like that, and then you drown your waffles, but that's okay. I'm just gonna pour some of it onto the one underneath because that was a little much. Alright.
Put it back in the fridge. Wow, I have a cough. I apologize. Groceries. And then put your knife in the sink. And you have your fork, and then you have chicken and waffles. You're welcome. You didn't need that. You probably already knew how to do it. But I was hungry, and I needed to make a video. So, there you go. Wow, I'm white. I doubt anybody's gonna make this, but if you do, you're welcome. This is pretty good. I've never actually made chicken and waffles together before, but I was hungry, and that's the first thing I saw when I opened the freezer. But it's pretty good, so if you make it, I recommend it. You could use any chicken or waffles, it works.